This is a common kitchen here in Bangladesh.
She asking, how are you?
I'm good, thank
আমি
you.
ভালো আছি।
Yeah. So this is the one that I've been. That's the cow's poo, and they use it as a wood fire.
How about your country? Look like this Bangladesh?
Yeah, same.
একই
On
রকম।
some village in the Philippines,
কিছু কিছু
same.
গ্রাম এরকম আছে।
Yeah.
How about your country and my country? How different?
Some villages same here.
কিছু কিছু গ্রাম এরকমের মতো আমার মতোই। হ্যাঁ তো আমার মতোই আমার দেশটা কিছু কিছু গ্রাম।
Yeah.
কত তুই ভালো আছিস?
See?
They live here, they're sleeping.
Oh, they sleep there.
They sleep there.
Okay. Fresh. Yeah, good one. This their bed. They could sleep in here with the cows.
No.
No, yes. No, very fresh. Very fresh. Especially during summertime.
He left it.
Yeah.
কাউ
Ah. So that's the. Okay. The cows sleep here. Okay. Yeah. I saw this some in China as well.
He sleep with
Oh, he sleep there.
he sleep with cow because he cannot see with cow and the thief can steal the cow.
Okay, so he sleep with the cow.
গন্ডার সঙ্গে থাকে যায় যদি
Or else the cow would be
গন্ডা চুরি করে ফেলান দিবে
taken out. So,
because no wall, no protection,
no protection.
no wall.
Okay.
What
Oh,
is this?
good
What
on
is-
you.
What is this?
The toilet.
Toilet.
Yeah, for toilet. Yeah.
This is tradition, Bangladeshi tradition.
Yeah, it's winter time here, so they just burn for bonfire. Bonfire in here. So you have the same tribe, right? Coach? No.
Yes,
Yeah?
like
Ruch?
little different.
Okay.
প্লিজ
Yeah.
Please. Say something.
Oh, I'm enjoying here in Bangladesh. This is one of the village here.
Thank you.